look at the book called Literary Theory, a very short introduction by Jonathan Culler, which
And
we
this
mentioned.
is basically for slightly more advanced students.
Right.
But glossary of literary terms can be, you should try and refer to it as much as possible right from the first year of BA onwards. It's used like a dictionary, and you can learn about different types of genres, different periods of history, different kinds of criticism if you look up a glossary of literary terms. So please go to your college libraries and look up a glossary of literary terms. M.H. Abrams is one good glossary, but you can also look up the Penguin Glossary of Literary Terms, and there are many others also. But please try and look up these books, because this will be just as a dictionary is, the glossary of literary terms is your companion through your English literature course.
May I add, Deepta, the internet as one of the sources and resource material for a student of literature, and there are many online glossaries too, which you must just have to Google the word English literature, and you will have a list of very useful websites which will help you in the course of study.
Thank you, Dr. Ketkar, Dr. Acha.
Pandya, could we just have one last slide?
Yeah, that slide could be shown. It is very interesting for students. The time does not permit us, but otherwise this is a very interesting topic.
I think we'll leave students with this.
We will leave students with this slide.
Yeah. Hope you enjoy your study of literature, and hope you enjoyed this session
and we
also.
wish you all the best for your future.
Hope you become real students of English literature. You enjoy your study, not as an academician, but in real sense you enjoy the literature that you study, and then you will become a real student of literature. Thank you all.
Thank you.
It was a very studied talk, and thank you on behalf of all the students who listened to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.